ways to die. Choose one.
It's time to escape, but I don't know where the fuck I'm headed. Up or down, right or left, life or death. I see myself in the midst of smoke. Death becomes any nigga that takes me for a joke. We hit a $5 stick, now we putting in work. Unaccountable amounts of dirt. Death becomes all niggas, anybody killer. You know what the deal is, nigga, you know what the real is.
I see some off-brand niggas on the corner flagging me down, saying, yo, Dad, what's up with the pound? Is that nigga Snoop alright? Hey, yo, what's up at the crib? Is them niggas in jail or is the niggas through? I said, if you ain't up on things, Snoop Dogg is the name, Dog Pound's the gang. It's like this, they don't understand. It's an everyday thing to gangbang. Make that switch, don't be a bitch, let these niggas know. What's up with you? I represent the Pound and Death Row. And can't no other motherfucker in LA alone beat your Compton and watch CDOGs. Now, you can't come and you can't run and you can't see long to the G's of the gang. One gun is all that we need to put you to rest. Put 2 slugs dead in your chest. Now you dead and the motherfucker creeping and sleeping 6 feet deep and fucking with the Pound. It's
suicide, it's a suicide. Suicide, it's a suicide. Suicide, it's a suicide. Suicide, it's a suicide.
The cloud becomes black and the sky becomes blue. Now you in the midst of the Dog Pound crew. Ain't no clue on why the fuck we do what we do. Leave you in a state of paranoia, ooh. Don't make a move for your gat so soon, cause I drops bombs like platoon. Walk with me, hold my hand and let me lead you. I take you on a journey and I promise I won't leave you until you get the full comprehension. And when you do, that's when the mission or survival becomes your every thought. Keep your eyes open, cause you don't wanna be caught. Half stepping with your weapon on safety. Now break yourself, motherfucker, for you make me take this to 11 to another level. I come up with your wins, you go down with the devil. Now roam through the depths of hell, where the rest of your bust-ass homeboys dwell. Well,
suicide is a suicide. Suicide is a suicide. Suicide is a suicide.
now tell me, what's my motherfucking name?